If not now, when? There are miles of roads to repair, so let's look at the numbers. Michigan has 7,500 lane miles of freeways that are paid for by the federal government. However, there's another 250,000 miles of roads that aren't paid for by the federal government. The state trunk line highways represent 8% of Michigan road miles. They carry 51% of the traffic and they receive 90% of the funding. The bridges are similar. 41% of Michigan bridges represent 75% of the total bridge area and 81% of the traffic. Here is a chart of the roads by surface area, paved and unpaved. The life expectancy for roads depend on the surface used, although other factors can affect how long a road will last. There are different calculations, but unpaved roads require more maintenance costs per year. Let's look at paved roads. Asphalt roads are expected to last 25 years with maintenance. After 25 years, the asphalt road will need major reconstruction. Michigan's roads are primarily paved with asphalt. If you compare asphalt to concrete, concrete is more expensive, but it'll last 40 to 50 years. Bridges only get 10% of the budget. How far will it go? According to MDOT, there are 1,200 bridges that are in poor or worse condition. Of the $3.4 billion, 1.5 is state-owned bridges and 1.9 is local. So how many bridges could be repaired today? According to an economist, at the current pace without an infusion of cash, it'll take 92 years to fix our bridges. So let's get to work. We can use Smartsheet to organize the projects by the type of work and location. We can also create work schedules based on the fiscal year the funding is available. Let's put Smartsheet to work.